Are you a project manager struggling to keep track of emails, meetings, tasks, documents, and deadlines? Do you sometimes feel like you're spending more time looking for information than actually managing your projects? If so, you're not alone. Microsoft 365 offers a powerful collection of tools designed to help you stay organized, collaborate effectively, and work more productively. The challenge is knowing which applications to use and how they fit together. That's where this course can help. Hi, and welcome to Organize with Microsoft 365 for project managers, a beginner's course. In this practical step-by-step course, you'll learn how project managers can use Microsoft 365 to organize their daily work, manage information more effectively, and improve collaboration with teams and stakeholders. We'll cover the essentials, including Microsoft 365 licensing, working online and offline, OneDrive, Outlook and Exchange, Microsoft Teams, Planner, Microsoft To-Do, Lists, Loop, and an introduction to Microsoft 365 Copilot. You'll also complete a quiz and finish with a practical self-assessment to help reinforce what you've learned. This course is designed for beginners, so no prior Microsoft 365 experience is required. By the end of the course, you'll understand how the core Microsoft 365 applications work together and how to use them to become a more organized and productive project manager. If you're ready to build practical Microsoft 365 skills that you can apply immediately in your workplace, then enroll today. I look forward to seeing you inside the course.